Welcome to Automated Passive Income, your go-to channel for smart, free tools that can help you build income streams with zero cost upfront. Today, I've got something incredibly powerful for you, and the best part? It's completely free. I've created a simple Python script that allows you to generate ultra-realistic voiceovers from any text, as many times as you want. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, Reels, podcasts, or audiobooks, this tool will save you tons of time and money. This script uses Microsoft's Edge text-to-speech engine to convert your text into lifelike audio. You can choose from professional voices like Andrew, Eric, or Guy. This video's audio is generated with this Andrew-neural voice with this code. The output is crystal clear MP3 files that sound like a real human, not robotic at all. And here's the kicker, there are no limits. Unlike paid tools like 11 Labs or Amazon Poly, this method is totally free, forever. You'll find the download link for the code in the video description. All you need is Python installed on your PC, and you're ready to go. Now, let me share something important with you. According to my YouTube stats, 98.2% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. That's huge. If you find this kind of content helpful, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It might seem like a small thing, but when you subscribe, it tells YouTube to share this content with more people. And it helps me keep creating tools like this, totally free, for everyone. So go ahead, try out the voice generator, use it for your content, and start saving money today. Thank you for watching Automated Passive Income. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More amazing tools and tutorials are coming your way very soon. See you in the next one.